Today I'm going to show you the two easiest ways to resize an image on your iPhone. It's pretty simple here. I do think that the second one is a little bit better, but the first one is the easiest way. So let's say I'm inside my Photos app here and I got this image and maybe my email client won't allow me to send it because it's too large. Well, if I scroll up on this, I can see the exact size. Right now it's 3024 by 4032, and it's a pretty large file size here, right? So in order to make this smaller, the easiest way I can do this is just take a screenshot. And the way that we're going to do that is press down on the lock button as well as the volume increase button at the same time. Once it takes the screenshot, we want to open it up here, and then we want to go ahead and start cropping. So I'm going to go ahead and crop this down. Let's go ahead and crop that down. Okay. From there, we can go ahead and select done in the upper left-hand corner. We want to go to save to photos. Now, if I go back to my library here and I go and look at what I just screenshot, I scroll up, you're going to notice that it reduced it quite significantly. It's now 1,179 by 1555, right? So that is probably the easiest way to resize a image within your iPhone. It's probably the most simple way, but I do think there's a little bit better way here that might help preserve the quality of it, and that is by getting one of these apps. So for example, I went to the App Store here and I downloaded this Photo Resizer app. This is the one that I got. Okay, so if I go into the Photo Resizer app, it looks like this. What I can do is I can just go to select a photo. I'll go ahead and just select one of them here. So if I go ahead and load this photo in, this will show you exactly why I think this might be the best method, because if I go ahead and select resize, now it's going to give us a couple different options here, and it's width by height. So this might also do a slight bit of cropping, but I think it is going to preserve the ratio here. But this is the feature that I think is really nice. We can go to percent, and we can literally choose a certain percentage that we want it to reduce that image size of. Okay, so I think this is just it's a nice little feature here. I think it might help the quality exist a little bit more. It's also going to be able to show you the preview, so it's showing you that it's going from 3024 by 4032 all the way down to 1512 by 2016. So you know, I think this is a pretty good option. Now, there is a paid version of this. This is the free version, and yeah, these are the two ways to, in my opinion, the best two ways of resizing an image on your iPhone. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.